D-Day is important to Canadians because it marked the beginning of the end of the tyranny of the German occupation.
D-Day, why is it so important for the Canadian? Well, first of all, it allowed to free Europe and free the world from the tyranny. And people don't realize that 3rd Canadian Division, we're talking about that probably 15,000 men from land, plus the Navy, plus the Air Force, were part of the invasion force. So Canada played a major role on D-Day.
So on Saturday, Valour Park will be displaying some of its vehicles here for people to come down and see at yesterday's auto gallery here. And you'll see a range of vehicles from the iconic Jeep that's right here beside me. You'll see armored vehicles, you're going to see reconnaissance vehicles, you're going to see transport vehicles and current vehicles.
You will be able to see those military vehicles. Some were World War II vehicles, some are post-war vehicles, but they're all artifacts, they're all tools that we use to project Canadian values that was allowing us to be mobile and go into the battlefield.
I served for 21 years in the Canadian Armed Forces as a REME tech. I was a motor vehicle mechanic, and I had a passion for working on the vehicles at that time, and I find it's you know, it's a passion of a lot of people. So everybody wants to know how we made it into battle and how we made it overseas, where we were at and what we were driving in, and it always comes back to the vehicles. Tell us about the vehicles.
Personally, I served in the I served 38 years, almost 38 years, and I served in the Gulf War, the Kosovo War, the Afghanistan War. And why it's so important to come up and see those military vehicles? Because they're part of the Canadian heritage. They're part of the Canadian history.
Valour Park's a nonprofit charity here in Edmonton, and we're able to take financial donations, we're able to take personal donations of equipment and artifacts, and we also like people to donate their time. And that's what this is really about, is bringing everybody together to restore this together and to enjoy it together.